Burn me.
Because he's an asshole.
That was a good fucking,
We got a lighter. Come here.
I have some. I would have brought them, but I didn't know to bring fireworks on the 4th of July.
Yeah, right? Fuckers.
Yeah, we're looking at the police.
If it was Peter goes.
Oh! Oh! We got a dud on the hands. We got a dud. We got a dud. That shit hurt. That one thing went in my ear, bro. That shit fucking hurt. That shit.
let go.
Let go, too close. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Look out, boner. Look out, boner.
Oh, look out. Oh, hey. Oh.
Watch out, Jack.
That's a dud.
Like a bunch of fucking degenerates. I love
shoot
it.
this.
Yeah,
Shoot, light it, light it. Let that one out, right in front of you. Hit Dom right in the back. Don't hold it so tight. Oh, what the fuck did that go?
If you let her grab his left in his back.
I don't want to wait with you guys.
Is that a bottle right here? Are you breaking the sticks? Not really.
The flares
Out, right? The air.
You're right.
Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
Is it one?
Oh, back up on that. Back up on that.
Oh! Ow, I got burnt. Oh!
You got two. Can I get a lighter? Can I get a lighter? Who got a lighter?
Toss him.
This is the guy right here.
Who's got the long one, bro?
Oh! I can only see the fire.
Yeah.
It's gonna hit like the bullshit. Are you throwing him on the ground? I need to jump out of the way and shit.
Nah, you good.
All I see is the fire.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh.
That's a dud, man.
Sam! Sam!
Who got a lighter? John, you see that?
Watch out!
Oh! You shoot bottle rockets the right way and shit?
Yeah. That's the big bitches.
No, they fell out of the back. You're right.
I love these things.
Alfred, you go now. You go now, baby.
I just put mine in. That was mine.
Okay,
Put it in. Don't drop it because it's not hot. No, you gotta drop it in first.
This is all we got left from the bag.
Boom! Oh, shit! One more, right? Oh, you got a lighter?
You got one too. Get out of the way.
Oh my god, dude, that one.
Look out! Look out! Look out!
Oh! You can't do that.
Why?
It's not gonna work.
Oh!
Watch out for the works of fire. They're all over.
Little country. Does oh in your fucking face.
We better hope they're on E. Oh shit, run! Hurry up, shit, run! Ow!
That shit hit my shoe! Wait, what?
First let him off and
I'm getting away.
This is his t-shirt. No, but you're gonna take that shit off immediately, probably. It sounds like t-shirt.
Wow, it's getting hot.
It's smoldering! Take it off! Hug me, hug me. Whoa, that hurt, bro. I'm on fire! Hug me! Hug me!
I'm on fire.
I can't see anything.
You're
gonna let he has a belly shirt. Why would you hug him? He has a belly shirt.
Burn?
Bro, nigga, no! It does smell like marshmallows.
He can't even put it out.
Take it off! Take it off! It's on your jeans. It's on your jeans.
on fire.
Somebody. Or then you're setting it on fire.
Bro, you're on fire!
Literally.
None of you motherfuckers want the hell.
I was joking!
Yankee, what happened to you last night? You're a fucking Yankee with your Giants.
No one did it.
You SMC shirt on. It's your t-shirt. Say it's your t-shirt.
This is my motherfucking t-shirt.
The light from the bottom so it burns up.
Oh, really?
It's all ready. Remember?
Yeah, give me Liberty. Give me whatever.
It's all ready, and then she's like,
Give me Liberty. Give me whatever. Did he really?
Seriously?
Yeah, I almost lit my house on fire.
We put a hole in this fucking green lawn.
It's getting hot. It's getting hot on my hands.
got you.
I'm gonna lick the fire.
All fires are done. That might get the cops called on.
Man with a flaming shirt.
Not right now. That's crazy.
That guy is flaming.
I'm
not talking about his shirt.
About the flaming shirt.
I'm not talking about his shirt though.
All right.
Talking about his sexuality. He's flaming.
He's flaming.
This video. Say something funny.
Were you there when?
I don't know. It's
You
funny.
remember on the Buchanan Street when the squirrel bit into the
The
wire?
power line, he was hanging from it. He's like this, with it by his mouth. Yeah. Sorry.
You remember that, right?
What? Will it melt?
It might.
Plastic.
Not a good idea.
Plastech. There's just Plastech people.
Indian in the cover, bro. That's fucking classic movie.
Whatever.